So tell me, you said that you plan to go to California, right?
Yeah, Friday. I leave at 4:30 Friday.
On the Greyhound bus?
Yep.
And right now you're staying at the homeless shelter?
Yep.
No.
In Dayton, Ohio.
What are your plans once you get to California?
I want to join another motorcycle club.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do they provide you with housing?
Yes. There's a certain things you gotta, the trials you gotta go through, prospect stuff like that. But
Right.
after that, they got you back 100% no matter what it is.
So you leave Friday.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to California before?
Never have.
I was raised in Southern California.
Yeah.
There's a lot of homeless there.
Yeah. I'm hoping that things will work out.
Do you have any family there?
None at all. I don't have any family anywhere though.
No?
Yeah, that's why I figure, one place is no different than the other for me.
So you're like a rambling man.
Yeah, here the last year or so, yeah.
Yeah? How long have you been homeless now?
Since July 23rd of last year.
Okay. You were showing me some of your tattoos.
Yeah.
And you said you've had them for many years, right?
Yeah, 1985 was the first time I got a tattoo. It was the first year I had a Harley Davidson right there. That was the Harley Davidson sign right here I got on my arm.
Oh, okay. They're a little hard to see now, huh?
Yeah.
Some of the tattoos.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. How old were you when you first got your tattoo?
15. 15.
Long time ago, huh? Yeah.
I'm 54 now.
Uh-huh. So you have hopes that things will work out better for you in Southern California, right?
That's right, yeah.
You just have to be very careful because there is a lot of crime there.
Yeah.
There's a lot of homeless there. And sometimes it's hard to get connected with services because there's so many people that are homeless there.
Yeah.
But if you have someone that's willing to kind of put you up for a little bit.
See, I'm also I get Social Security disability.
Okay.
And I'm leaving on Friday because I'm getting my check on Friday.
Okay.
So, I have a little something to work with after I leave, you know what I mean?
You said you love riding motorcycles.
Yes. Yeah, I have a 2002 Sportster right now. It's at my buddy's house in Florida.
Oh, wow. But you're living on the Greyhound, right?
Well, not living, no.
No, you're going to leave.
Oh, leaving. Yeah, I'm leaving on the Greyhound, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my buddy, I've already talked to him about it. He's going to have my bike transported to me wherever I go.
Uh-huh.
I talked to him today. Yeah.
You said you have no family in Ohio.
No, I don't. None at all.
No brothers, no
Nothing.
sisters?
Nothing.
Are your parents still alive?
My mama, she is in Bainbridge, Georgia, but I had a very, very rough childhood, to say,
Oh.
I mean, I have nothing good to say about her.
Were there any fond memories at all?
Family?
Fond memories?
No.
None at all?
Not that I can.
Oh.
Straight. I just went to Bainbridge, Georgia not long ago to try to hang out around her. Her birthday was just August 19th. She turned 78. But, we couldn't get along.
No?
No, she's one of those so-called Christians that claims she's holier than thou. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
She's one of those that thinks that she's God, my mosquitoes are bad.
Yeah,
out
there's
here.
a lot of mosquitoes.
Yeah.
I know, I'm getting bitten by them. Well, I'm gonna let you go. I'm glad you're enjoying your fried chicken. What did they give you? Fried chicken?
Macaroni and cheese, donuts, rice.
No mashed potatoes? Rice.
Oh, that is? It's rice, yeah.
Rice.
And baked beans.
Okay. Now, do you have any words of inspiration to share with the people watching this video?
I just say live life as it comes, because you can't never, I don't never plan for anything. I was hoping that I'd had plans up here, you know, with this woman. And
oh yeah, you were telling me about a woman that lied to you, right?
yeah,
She told you to come to Ohio,
yeah,
and what was going to happen?
that we were supposed to be together. We've been talking to each other on Facebook for months, like 5 months. She said, come on up here, you know, you're a nice guy, you're sweet, and you know, both of us are single, we can make things happen, see what comes and see what happens, you know, we'll go with the flow.
And once you got here,
She jumped in the car and just drove off, and then she stalked me. I was staying at with some homeless people around the library here in town. She was driving past me up until 2:45 in the a.m., watching me, then texting me, telling me what I was doing throughout the day. Then there was a club right across the street from the library.
yeah,
Told me, oh, I see you went to the club last night and all, but she never would
she's
come
a
pick me
stalker.
up. Yeah, she would never come pick me up.
Well, listen, maybe it's a good thing you didn't connect with her,
Yeah.
because she sounds like she's disturbed in the head.
Psycho. Yeah.
Psycho.
Yeah.
So be careful. There's a lot of psychos out
No,
there.
that's right.
Well, enjoy your food, and I pray that you will have a good trip and that things work out for you in Southern California.
I sure hope so.
Now, let me just ask you one more question. What led to you being homeless in the first place?
I got out of prison, didn't have nowhere to go.
Oh, okay, all right.
Yeah.
But you know that God still loves you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, sweetie. Thank you for sharing your story, all right?
All right.
And if you need any more food, I'll make sure to get you some, all
I'm
right?
good now. I'm gonna y'all are fixing to leave, right?
Yeah,
I don't hang out up here
okay,
for good reason.
okay. You said the food that we gave you is better than the one they
Oh
serve
yeah, way better.
in the
I
shelter.
won't even eat in there tonight. I'm
No.
gonna eat this, go to sleep.
Okay. All right, sweetie. Just be careful, all right?
All right. Yeah.